But we promise Joe we will make him a very neat, delicious steak once the income is inside the account
Yeah.
and the money comes in.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, bro. Temperature, huh?
Still raw. Wait for it.
I need hummy in my tummy, you know what I mean?
Wow.
Now it's 40 Celsius.
Wait until 65.
Wow. The chef.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
هذا قاعد يدخن. قاعد يدخن يا خوي.
اي ما عليه.
جو.
لا تاكل هذه شحال.
It's fat, fat. كذا كويتر.
كويسة.
One more.
Let me try. Okay, let me see the oven. Please. Move. I don't want to fuck this one.
Woo.
We are missing mashed potatoes. Corn. I forgot about the corn. Where's the corn? Saleh. I know in my heart one day we're gonna need this.
Do it.
How can I boil it? Here.
One more. I will.
Dude, wash your thing.
Oh shit.
Like I said. طلع هكا.
Wow.
هذا جوس.
لا هذا زين.
حط في
Last.
What do you think?
Good. I forgot my name. What's my name?
ما عندنا قد احنا نقصر فيه.
Oh, هذا. Ooh la la.
Doesn't this make you happy? والله
It's good. والله.
أول ما أطبخها بالحرارة هاي أول مرة.
والله كان مطعم ما شاء الله.
خذ صورة
والله فايدة إذا كنا
خذ صورة وارسلها في الانتو الحين.
So yun, gutom na kami. Kakain na kami. Let's go in, baby. Let's put here. Oh, come on. Yes, dear. Hi. Like ko dito. Let's make it far. Uh-huh.
Yeah, go grab yourself a fork. You brought this?
Yeah, I brought that.
You can use your hand.
Let's taste it. No, it's fine. Woohoo. See? See this? Tastes good, really, bro.
I promise you a steak and I give you
Uh-huh.
a big bites.
Oh, Abdullah, thank you very much.
Perfecto.
I say thank you. from the bottom of my heart. I say tonight is a good night.
Yeah. We have drink, right? Here we go. Okay, let's continue. Who cooked the corn?
That's me. It took me 3 hours to make this corn. I have to plant it and make it grow in 3 hours.
Mm. Mm.
This one will be good. Show them-
Sarap.
show
Sobrang
them
sarap.
that.
Nagme-melt sa bunganga, oh. Kinahagat. Mm.
Okay.
Very delicious. Really.
Let them see the juice.
Yeah.
The juice, yeah.
Where is it? Oh.
It's a drink. Show them.
Madami pa kami papakitang pagkain.
Sarap mga dihash with us.
Madami pa kami papakitang pagkain sa inyo. Say hi.
I'm busy. I'm busy.
Ali, say hi.
Yes, sir. Hello. Hi there. This only happens
Very.
when you have an excellent chef like I've done.
Uh-huh.
But if it's up to Joe, we'll be eating tuna now.
If you didn't eat, you would have eaten it all.
I will cook soon.
Like this.
Chicken adobo. Ali,
Yes, sir.
show them how to eat.
Just to grab it. And you press your mouth.
Mhm. Abdullah, show them.
You grab something with some fat,
Uh-huh.
and then you dip it in the salt,
Uh-huh.
and you eat.
Mhm. Filipino style. You will use your hand. Okay? Sausaw. Then. Someone is eating corn.
How do people enjoy watching three guys eating food?
I don't know.
I know a guy who ate the whole sheep.
Hmm?
Yeah, he ate.
Then what happened to him?
He ate it.
He died.
Now, when they do that, they eat the bell. That helps them digest the food so fast.
Do you know what's good with this?
We have
You
bimbo.
shouldn't eat this with us. You should eat this with your wife.
Grabe, kahit walang kanin. Even without rice, ha? It's good.
That's just good. Usually comes with corn, mashed potatoes, broccoli,
Mhm.
and a gravy.
Paubos na, oh, paubos na.
A few moments later.
So, Ali, step back. I need to wash.
There is one rule in this apartment.
Uh-huh. What's the rule?
One cooks, the other one clean. I cooked, the other guy cooked. I boiled the corn.
Puta, mais. Mais lang yung niluto niya. So, ang matinding part nito ay ang paghuhugas. Abdullah, thank you very much. Uh-huh. Thank you very much for that.
1 second. I almost went.
Uh-huh. What?
That's in the morning. Next time.
What you will cook again?
That's in the morning. Not the
Nice.
I need something to floss my teeth with.
Okay, bye, guys. Woohoo!
Peace in the Middle East.
Peace, yo.